Most service businesses are losing money in the simplest place possible: their messages. Here's the truth no one tells you. The fastest way to grow your service business is not more ads. It is faster replies that actually convert. In this video, you will learn how AI auto reply systems turn simple customer texts into booked jobs automatically. You will also see how businesses are using this in 2026 to respond instantly, close more leads, and never miss a customer again. And stick around, because in a minute I'll show you how one simple setup can reply to customers even while you are on a job. Let's start with a core problem. A customer messages you asking for a quote. You see it late. You reply hours later. But by then, they already booked someone else. This happens to Jake, a small contractor in Miami, every single week. Now here's where it gets interesting. AI auto reply systems fix this by responding instantly, like a virtual assistant that never sleeps. Tools like WhatsApp Business Automation, ManyChat, and ChatGPT-based responders can reply within seconds with pricing, availability, and next steps. But here's the problem. A fast reply alone is not enough. You need the right structure in the message. That is where AI templates come in. Instead of typing random replies, you build a system that says, "Hi, thanks for reaching out. What service do you need? And when are you available?" Simple, clear, and designed to move the customer forward. Now, let's break it down. First, the lead comes from WhatsApp, Instagram, or your website form. Second, the AI instantly replies using a preset script. Third, it collects basic details like location, job type, and urgency. And fourth, it pushes the lead into your calendar, or CRM. Now here's where most people fail. They think automation means sounding robotic. But modern AI tools like ChatGPT-based integrations can sound completely natural. For example, instead of a cold message, it can say, "Hey, I can help with that today. Can you share a quick photo so I can give you an exact quote?" In a minute, I'll show you how this one step alone can increase your booking rate without spending a single extra dollar on ads. Let's go deeper. You can connect tools like Zapier or Make.com to link your messages directly to your booking system. So when a customer replies, their job is automatically created in your schedule. No manual work. No missed leads. Now imagine this. A customer messages you at 11 p.m. You are asleep. But your AI replies instantly, collects details, and even suggests the next available slot. By morning, you already have a confirmed booking waiting for you. And here's the powerful part. This system works for plumbers, cleaners, electricians, landscapers, and any service business that depends on fast replies. So here is the takeaway. Speed wins customers. AI auto reply systems make sure you are always the fastest option, even when you are not available. That means more bookings, less stress, and no missed opportunities. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what service business you run, and subscribe for more real-world growth systems that help you scale without extra staff.